Hello children, in this video lecture we are going to revise the chapter matrices. So I am going to give one brief review for the matrices. In matrices, what are the types of questions? First one is the question based on construction of matrices. Your first exercise. Order is given and one formula is given, expression is given to calculate the elements of the matrices. Second one is when the matrices are equal. What is the condition when the matrices are equal? Order must be same and corresponding elements must be equal. Next thing, addition and subtraction of matrices. For addition and subtraction also, the order of the matrices must be same. And the most important is the product of the matrices. Product of the matrices, first you will see the video, and for the product AB, suppose we are going to find the product AB. So what is the condition? Number of columns in first matrix. Number of columns in first matrix must be equal to number of rows in second matrix. Correct? Already we have studied this. So this is the condition for defining or checking whether the product of two matrices is possible or not. So we will solve few questions, 4-5 questions involving product, addition, equality as a revision. So first question is, I am taking from chapter test. So first question is from chapter test. The question is question number 3. Determine the matrices A and B when first equation is given A plus 2B is equal to 1, 2, 6 minus 3, and second equation is given 2A minus B is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 minus. So these are the two equations, A plus 2B and 2A minus B. 1, 2, 6 minus 3, 2, 1, 2, 2 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, we have to find the matrices A and B. This is similar to solving the simultaneous linear equation. See, here it is A plus 2B and here it is 2A minus B. So we can equate the coefficient of A or coefficient of B, whatever you want. So suppose we want to equate the coefficient of B. Here it is 2B and here it is minus B. So if you multiply in this equation, second equation, throughout by 2, then this will become what? 4A minus 2B. In RHS also all the elements will be multiplied by 2. It means 4 minus 2 minus 2. Correct? Now add both the equations. 4A minus 2B is equal to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Correct? Now when you will add, these two will be cancelled. This is 4A plus A. 5A is equal to, now see how to add the matrices. Order must be same and corresponding elements will be added. So 1 and 4, 5, 2 minus 2, 0, 6 plus 4, 10, minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. So this is 5A matrix. Therefore A matrix will be what? A matrix means each element will be divided by 5. It means 1, 0, 2, minus 1. So this is matrix A. Correct? This is matrix A. Now how to obtain matrix B? Two methods are there. The simpler method is substitute the value of matrix A in any one of the equations. Whether in equation 1 you will substitute A or in equation 2 you will substitute to find the value of matrix B. Correct? So suppose I am taking equation second. Now A matrix is, put the value So 2 times matrix A. Matrix A is 1, 0, 2, minus 1, correct? Minus B is equal to this equation only. So is equal to 2, 2, minus 1, minus 1. Correct? So how to find matrix B? First multiply and transpose. So this will be 2, 0, 4, minus 2, minus B is equal to this matrix 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1. So finally how to calculate matrix B? The matrix B will be transpose. So this will be this transpose here, this transpose here. It means 2, 4, 0, minus 2, correct? Visible? And then minus 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1. So this will give matrix B. Correct? So this is the question. Now next question is, we can solve question number 4, any part, 4 second part. Question number 4 second part. So in question number 4 second part, what we have to find? 4 second part is A, B, C 3 matrices are given. We have to find A multiplied by 4B minus 3C. We have to find A multiplied by 4B minus 3C. This matrix we have to find. Now we are going to substitute the value. Okay. What is 4B minus 3C? First you will calculate 4B minus 3C. So 4B minus 3C. So 4 matrix B is 0, 1, minus 2, 5. 0, 1, minus 2, 5. Minus 3 C matrix is minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1. Correct? So 4B minus 3C will be 0, 4, minus 8, 20, minus 6, 0, minus 3, 3. Correct? So this is 4B minus 3C matrix. So finally this matrix will be, here I am writing 0 minus minus 6 plus 6, 4 minus 0, 4 minus 8 minus plus 3, that is minus 5, 20 minus 3, that is 17. Correct? Clear? 0 minus minus, 4 minus 0, minus 8 plus 3, 20 minus 0. This is 4B minus 3C matrix. Now we have to find what? This done. So now we have to find this matrix. So this is 4B minus 3C, 6, 4, minus 5, 17. This is 4B minus 3C. And multiplied by A. See, 4B minus 3C multiplied by A. It means put the value of matrix A. Matrix A is 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 1, 2, minus 3, 4. So this is matrix A and this is 4B minus 3C. Correct? So how to multiply? Order is same. 2 by 2, 2 by 2 it will be multiplied. And the resulting matrix will be also of the order 2 by 2. Correct? So row and column. So 1 into 6 minus 10. 1 into 6 minus 10. First element. Next. 1 into 4 plus 34. second element. Correct. Next, very small. So next is 4 plus 34. Next is minus 18 minus 20. Next is minus 12 plus 68. This is the answer. 6 minus 10, 4 plus 34, minus 18 minus 20, minus 12 plus 68. So finally this will be minus 4, 38, and this will be minus 18 minus 20 will be minus 38, and this will be $56. Correct. So this will be. So this was the question. Next, a more important question. Good question based on product of matrices. Question number. We can take question number 34 of page 159. Page 159. Question number 34. And the question is, matrix A is given. Find a matrix B such that B into A is equal to identity matrix. Such that B into A is equal to identity matrix. Clear? So, where I is the unit matrix of order 2, that is 2 by 2. Order 2 means order 2 by 2. So first we will substitute the value of matrix A, but the problem is, see, first we have to find the order of the matrix B. Matrix A is given 2 by 2. See, this order is 2 by 2. This order is also 2 by 2. Suppose this order is M by N. Correct? Suppose order of B is M by N. M by N. Correct? So already I told, for the product of two matrices, what is the condition? Compatibility condition. Number of column in first matrix must be equal to number of row in second matrix. Correct? It means N is equal to 2. Number of column in first matrix must be equal to number of row in second matrix. It means N is equal to 2. So this is done. Now what is the order of the product matrix? What is left? N is equal to 2, done. Now order of the product matrix will be order of product matrix. Here it is BA is, what is left here? M, and here 2. It means M by 2. Correct? Number of column in first matrix is must be equal to number of row in second matrix. This is done for the condition whether these two matrices will be multiplied or not. After that, what is left? M and 2. It means after multiplication we are going to get a third matrix. Order of the third matrix will be, what is left here? M by 2. And finally, what is the product matrix? Identity matrix. It means M by 2 and these two both are equal. Correct? It means M is equal to 2. It means M is 2 and N is 2. It means what is the order of the matrix B? 2 by 2. Correct? What is the order of matrix B? 2 by 2. Now if the order is 2 by 2, this understood all this? If the order is 2 by 2, it means we can take the matrix B as A, B, C, D or not. Correct? 2 by 2, 4 elements. Now we will substitute the values of all the matrices. Matrix B, matrix A, and identity matrix. So matrix B is, we have taken A, B, C, D. Correct? A, B, C, D. Now matrix A is given what? 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2 is equal to identity matrix. Identity matrix means 1, 0, 0, 1. Correct? Now we have to multiply and we have to solve. So when you will multiply, what will come? Row and column. It means 3a minus b, first element. Next, minus 4a plus 2b. Next, 3c minus d. Next, minus 4c plus 2d is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Correct? This is the multiplication part. Understood? Clear? Now after multiplication, both the matrices are equal. It means corresponding elements will be same. Corresponding elements will be same. So we will be getting 4 equations. First equation is 3a minus b is equal to 1. Next is 3c minus d is equal to 0. Next, minus 4a plus 2b is equal to 0. Minus 4c plus 2d is equal to 1. Clear? Now we have to solve. See, minus 4a plus 2b is equal to 0. Throughout 2 is common. It means this can be written as this equation. This will be minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Correct? Similarly, this can be also written as minus 2c plus d is equal to 0. These two equations. Correct? Now we can solve these two equations. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Correct? We can solve first and second to obtain A and B, third and fourth to obtain C and D, and substitute the value in the matrix B. That will give you the matrix B. Understood? So these are few questions we have solved for revision part. Correct? Thank you.